Test a USB HID device in minutes, even if you didn't design it yourself. This video is brought to you by Trace Systems Inc., the makers of HIDmaker and Simple Upgrade Management System. Download our free guide to USB Success, Secrets of Successful USB Developers. Hi, I'm Dr. Bob. In this video, we'll show you how to use AnyHID to communicate with a HID device. First, of course, we'll have to start the AnyHID program. Then, there are 3 steps. Step 1, select your device from the list of connected USB HID devices. Step 2, select an input report or an output report or a feature report in your selected device. And step 3, send or read the data. Start AnyHID. Now we're going to connect a HID device. This particular one was made with HIDmaker, but that's not a requirement with AnyHID. You should be able to test any properly functioning HID device. Connect our HID device. We see notification of that in AnyHID. Let's see what this device contains using the menu item File, Browse HIDs. We click the File menu, File, Browse HIDs. This brings up the Browse HIDs dialog. We can use that to see the list of devices and focus on an individual device. Select our device, but let's not open it yet. We see some information about this device. This particular device demonstrates the sending of arrays, so it is called Array Test 5, and its title says something about that. We happen to have designed this device, but even if we hadn't, AnyHID would still be able to show us what data the device sends and receives. And if we open this device for direct I/O, we see more info, like a description of all the data items it can send and receive. The Browse HIDs window shows us that the output report contains a single array of 10 bytes. We can see that the output report contains a single item, an array with 10 items, each 8 bits in size. Windows doesn't know what we named each variable in the source code. Instead, it identifies each variable or array by its combination of usage page and usage ID within that usage page. We see the input report contains a single variable and an array. The input report consists of an array of 19 bytes along with a simple 8-bit variable. That simple variable, named byte count, allows the device to send fewer than 19 bytes at some times, with the value of byte count being set to indicate how many bytes are significant this time. Let's read an input report from the device. First, we have to select the device to talk to, select our device in the Step 1 drop-down. Then we have to select which HID report we want using the Step 2 drop-down. We'll select Input Report. Select its input report. Then we just click the Read button and click the button to read and display the values. Next, let's send an output report to the device. To send an output report, we just need to change the Step 2 drop-down to select Output Report. Next, we need to set the values that we need to send in that output
Select
report.
the array we will send.
That is, we are setting the values of variables that AnyHID will transmit to the device.
Edit the values in the array. We'll just send a list of increasing numbers.
When we have set the values of those variables, we then click the Send button to send those values to the device.
And then click the Send button. That's it.
Question of the day. Have you ever tried to test a USB HID device to see how it works? What did you learn? Thanks for checking out this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you want to, check out that free Secrets of Successful USB Developers guide with tips on getting your USB projects working end-to-end, really fast, every single time. Click or tap the screen in the description below. As always, we're helping you build your knowledge, skills, and impact with online video. Talk to you soon.